Welcome to today's video. I'm your virtual QA guide, here to help you understand the basics of manual testing and the key roles of a software tester. What is manual testing? Manual testing is the process of checking software manually for defects without using any automation tools. We perform manual testing to ensure the application is functioning as per the requirements, especially during the initial phase, when automation cannot be implemented from day one. Also, during manual testing, testers gain deep understanding of the application's flow and business logic, which becomes very helpful when writing automation scripts later. Why manual testing is important? Even today, manual testing plays a critical role in the software development lifecycle. It helps testers gain application knowledge with respect to the user requirements, user stories, especially during initial builds. It allows you to test features from a real user's perspective, which is crucial for catching UI, UX issues and unexpected behaviors. Manual testing is often the first layer of validation before automation is introduced. Key responsibilities of a manual tester: understanding requirements and business logic, creating test cases and test scenarios, executing test cases manually, logging defects in tools like Jira, communicating with developers and stakeholders. Manual testing techniques are mostly equivalent partitioning, boundary value analysis, decision table testing, state transition testing, use case testing. Here are key manual testing methodologies you should know. Black box testing focuses on inputs and outputs without knowing internal code. White box testing involves testing internal code logic, typically done by developers. Smoke testing, quick checks after new builds. Sanity testing, verifying bug fixes and core flows. Regression testing, rechecking older features after changes. Exploratory testing, creative, unscripted testing based on domain knowledge. Ad hoc testing, quick, informal testing. Usability testing, checking for user friendliness and experience. Common tools manual testers use to manage their work include Jira for bug tracking and defect management, TestLink or Excel for creating and managing test cases, Word documents for documenting test cases, steps, and storing screenshots to provide clear evidence of test results, Confluence for collaboration and knowledge sharing. These tools help organize the testing process and ensure clear communication with developers and stakeholders. Soft skills a tester must have. A good tester also needs strong attention to detail, clear communication skills, ability to think from the end user's point of view, team collaboration with developers and business analysts. Real-life example. Let's say you're testing a life insurance policy issuance module in a web application. The user fills out a proposal form, selects a plan, uploads documents, and makes an online payment. After that, a policy should be generated with the correct terms. As a manual tester, you would validate if mandatory fields are enforced correctly. Check various combinations of age, sum assured, and policy tenure. Verify premium calculations across different plans. Test document upload and error handling. Confirm that after payment, the correct policy document is generated and available in the customer portal. This type of end-to-end functional flow requires deep domain knowledge, business rule validation, and attention to edge cases, all best handled initially through manual testing. Final thoughts. Manual testing is the foundation of a strong QA career. It builds your logic, domain knowledge, and sharpens your eye for detail before diving into automation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more QA insights.